Hello, a very good afternoon and welcome to News Hour, coming to you live from our studios here at Broadcasting House in Accra. My name is Evans Sechampon. Now we begin our first story here in Accra, where the audit service in Accra has presented some essentials to 3 health institutions to augment their stock. The 3 are the Baka Polyclinic, National Ambulance Service and the Public Health Reference Lab in Tamale were grateful for the timely intervention.
First recipient at the Baka Polyclinic had 500 packets of KN95 nose masks, 8,000 packets of hand gloves, 4,500 packets of surgical masks, 300 liters of hand sanitizers, and 70 coveralls. For the Adabraka Polyclinic, which has put up a new isolation center to treat COVID-19 patients, the items will in no small way help make their work better. Next was the National Ambulance Service. Their package consisted of 1,000 packets of KN95 nose masks, 6,000 packets of hand gloves, 2,500 packets of surgical masks, and 225 gallons of hand sanitizers. The items are to be distributed to various ambulance centers across the country. The Tamale Public Health and Reference Lab was the last beneficiary. They received 500 packets of KN95 nose masks, 6,000 packets of hand gloves, 2,500 packets of surgical masks, 225 gallons of hand sanitizers, and 30 coveralls. The Deputy Auditor General, Mr. George Winful, said the items were funded from voluntary contributions from staff of the audit service to support the frontline workers who continue to hold the fort despite the numerous challenges.
Now, at the National Election Stakeholder Engagement on Wednesday, the National Democratic Congress (NDC) finally signed and adopted a draft roadmap to disband political vigilantism in Ghana. This gives meaning to the law passed by Parliament to eliminate all forms of political vigilantism in the country, and especially so with the 2020 election 6 months away. In June 2019, the NDC refused to sign the document due to several factors it pointed out in the draft. The document, spearheaded by the National Peace Council, includes a code of conduct for political parties. Here are excerpts of the signing ceremony.
In recent times, we have even written to the Peace Council again on developments that are unfolding on our electoral space. We have received a response, but we believe that having one-on-one meeting with the Peace Council to delve deeper into these issues and solving them on time will go a long way to assist the country to maintain peace and order. So we are happy that we have signed this document, and we want to assure all and sundry that we are committed to the tenets that we have appended our signature to, and we will abide religiously by it. But we expect government to show more commitment. We expect government to give assurance that this is not going to be one of the code of conduct that we have been signed with.
We also understand that it doesn't take one party to ensure that an agreement is implemented. That is why we thought, in calling the National Peace Council to arrange a full national dialogue, we thought we were going to go a little higher than what we have been doing in this country, with the hope that we may get it right this time around. Unfortunately, we are back to the same old path. And so we